Hello everyone, welcome back with one more BITSAT Prime Time with Masterclass Space at 9 o'clock. And the discussion of the day will be about subject-verb agreement and subject-verb agreement questions. So today, what we are going to discuss, we are going to understand what is subject-verb agreement and how to solve question quickly, even 5 to 10 seconds. And then what should be the common thought process in the question. So without delay, let's go ahead and solve some questions. Okay, so here you are. It says choose the correct verb form to complete this sentence. So the sentence is each of the players. Remember, whenever there is group of words before verb, subject will be always before first preposition. Okay, so what is before first preposition? It is each, and therefore it requires singular verb. It means each, have, no, has, yes, are, were. So what it is? Has. All right, so each has will be the correct word. Remember, whenever there is a group of words before verb, so this blank is what? This blank is verb, right? So whatever, if there is a group of words before verb, subject will be before first preposition, and here preposition is off, and then what is it? Is each. So each has, and hence B is the answer. Let's move to next one. Neither the manager nor his assistant. Remember, if there is group of words before verb, but group of words contain nor, or. If it contains or nor, subject will be after verb. So whatever comes before nor will not be considered as a part of subject, and therefore your subject is assistants, and assistants means plural. So were and have been, only two. Was and has been out. So A and D out, you are left with only B and C. So it is talking about yesterday, right? So yesterday means were. So the sentence will be neither the manager nor his assistants were at the meeting yesterday. Have been means past to present connection, and therefore again B is the answer. Now the committee dash their decision after a long debate. Okay, so the committee their decision, because we are talking about their, it's mean many people. If it is only committee without any pronoun, then we could consider it singular. But because we are talking about their means we are talking about group of people, and because it is there means many, so the committee will be here plural. So the committee are fine. Announces singular. Remember, when we add verb plus ses, it becomes singular. So this part out. Has announced out. It's mean you are left with A and C. So that the committee dash their decision after a long debate. So the committee now are announcing their decision after long debate. Announces, no, because announces means general discussion. So here long debate, it seems that they have discussed and after that they are doing, and therefore it will be A. Now a number of students, again group of words, and in case of group of words, subject will be before first preposition, but a number. Remember, if it is the number, it will be singular, but if it is a number, it will be plural. The number singular, a number plural. So the a number of students were absent or are absent today, because today means present, therefore are. So is, was out. Have cannot be used because have plus verb form, and therefore this part out. Are means B is the answer. The data that the new policy may be effective. The data dash. So the data, you know that it is singular, right? So data is considered singular. So the data suggesting no, have suggested no, suggest yes, suggest no. Remember, if we add verb plus ses, it becomes singular. If we remove ses from verb, it becomes plural. So here suggest is plural, suggests S1, it is singular. Because it is data, therefore suggest, and hence B is the answer. Okay, so this is all for today. Tomorrow, Monday, we are going to take your questions to discuss about, and then there will be our experts Aditya from BITS Pilani, and Atul Verma from IIT Delhi. So together we will take your questions, whatever the students have asked in watching the videos, or they have commented, or they have mailed the questions. That will be the part of discussion. So if you want to join live, do join, do discuss, and put your questions. So see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock with our experts. Twice in a week we connect. Okay, so this is all for today. Have a good time. Catch you tomorrow, same time, same place.